Hi everyone, I'm Jay from Make Money with Video, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 niche ideas to make money on YouTube. But don't go running away, because trust me, there is nothing to buy here. I am just showing you 5 different niche ideas. That is it, guys. Yeah, just trying to help you, because if you're struggling to find an idea for YouTube, I know how hard it can be. It took me a while to figure out what I wanted to do. Now I run a movie channel and a football channel and like a Christmassy channel. Yeah. So let's get into this, guys. I'm going to put you on full screen because I know you don't want to see my ugly face, or you don't want to see my friend Soups here. Say hello, Soups. Sorry, guys. I am the geeky dad after all. Now let's get into this. The first of all, guys, this is my channel. I show you how to make money with video. I show you on TikTok, Fiverr. Here's some more different niche ideas if you want to check these out. How to make money on different sites like I just said, TikTok, Fiverr, Etsy. But anyway, let's get into this, guys. If you want to check this out, it's called Make Money with Video. And the first channel, guys, it's called Brainy Dose. You've probably heard of it. It's got 1.5 million subscribers. They get over 5 million views in the last 30 days. They're making quite good money, but they're just making like the videos. They don't use actual. They're just using stock footage. Yeah, and they're doing things like why you guys can't get a girlfriend, and basically like relationship advice and different stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of stuff, guys, and you think you want to make that, check it out, guys. Mirror what they're doing. Next one, guys, is Nuke's Top 5. Now, this is like a scary one, and they've got 3.6 million subscribers. They're doing very good. Over 17.3 million in the last 30 days. That is awesome, isn't it? Now, they've got even better money. I mean, yeah, you might say they've got more subscribers, but doesn't always mean that case, guys. And yeah, they're just making scary videos, like five ghost videos. So scary, you'll say what? 5 ghost videos scarier than your mama, and yeah, they're just doing like clips, and I think a lot of these clips you can find on like TikTok and that, what people are putting up. It's not their own footage; they're just using other people's footage, like in a montage. Yeah, and they're doing good, great. They're doing awesome, guys. Yeah, that's Nuke's Top 5. If you want to check them out, guys, that's a scary niche. Another one, guys, Top 15s. Yeah, and 3.75 million subscribers. It's saying they're not making any money. I'm not sure why that is, guys. But yeah, they're making like scary videos as well. But like it's always like the top 15. So it's like montages, clips of different scary scary part, whatever it is, scary moments. Yeah. If you want to check these out, guys, they're called the top 15s. Now these are all like if you do like top 10s, top 5s, top 15s, top 20s. They're really good channels, guys. Because if you type in the search bar top and then put a space, you'll see. I'll just show you here. So if you put in top, look, got like top 40, top gear, top 10, top boy, and it's great, guys. Yeah, that's all you need to do on YouTube. Yeah. So if you want to do top 10, you can go take it even further. Top 10, put a space, songs of the week, anime, songs, N-words, music, UK charts, WWE. Yeah, and this is how you can get some ideas as well. But anyway, moving on to the next one, guys. It's called Smart Banana, and I love this banner. This banner is awesome. Yeah, and they've got 1.74 million subscribers. They're getting some money, guys. It's not that great. They're getting 341 thousand views last 30 days, but even better, even though if it's not that much, it's still better than anything, isn't it, guys? And you can also make money on top of this. This is just AdSense. You can make money with like affiliate marketing, which if you want to learn more, watch my videos, guys. They're doing about space and science. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Space, science, and like technology stuff. And I love these thumbnails. They're quite catchy. Yeah, different, isn't they? So that's the space niche, yeah? And that's Smart Banana. Then the last one, guys, is a sports one. Non-stop sports is this the one what we're looking at today. There's lots of different sports channels you can look at. You can narrow it down as well, guys, to like football, soccer, basketball, anything you want to talk about, guys. Even fishing. Now, Is fishing a sport? Some people say it is. I don't think it is. Yeah. But yeah, anyway, these have got 287,000 subscribers, yeah? Not as much as all the other 4 previous channels I've just shown you. But look, guys, they're making really good money, yeah? Now, that other channel has got over 3 million and they're not making anything on AdSense. So, don't know why, guys, but maybe they're using copyrighted material and I don't know. But anyway, guys, yeah, look at these. These are sports. And if you look at them, they're not showing videos. It's just like clips, it's images, and it's writing over you. Well, that's a bit of video, and maybe I've got some clips, but a lot of them are just clips. So if you want to just do like a slideshow, guys, that it just shows how easy it is. So, guys, that is it for today's video. That is 5 different niches you can do, or different ideas you can check out. If you want to check these channels out, just watch this video, type the music, and then do like what I showed you with the search bar. Type in, leave a space after what you want to look for. And if things are coming up, like what you are interested in, look more into it. Check out other channels. Now, if you want to check out, if you want 5 different niches, like I said, I showed you earlier in my channel, I've got 2 more videos there. I will be making more, and each one I'm going to show you different niches because I know how hard it can be. So if you got any value out of this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up because it helps this channel, and comment below if you find any other niches and you want me to check it out. Let us know. Also, even if you don't want to check it out and you find a niche, let us know because I might not know about it. Yeah, might give me some ideas. I'm learning just like you guys. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, guys. Until next time, I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad, and this is Make Money with Video. Till next time.